As the cryptocurrency market continues to recover from the recent decline, the price of XRP continues to lead to gains among the top cryptocurrencies that are now available. Trading professionals feel that this might be the beginning of a significant increase in the value of the XRP cryptocurrency. This is due to the fact that there was no noticeable upward momentum in the token value. As a result of the resolution of the dispute that occurred between Ripple Labs and the SEC earlier this month, the price of XRP is currently at the beginning of a significant rally. The United States Securities and Exchange Regulation Judge Annalisa Torres issued an order that required Ripple Labs to pay fines to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission for the theft of $125 million worth of cryptocurrency. It is important to note that this sum is significantly lower than the $2 billion that the government agency had requested. Due to the fact that Ripple engages in a bigger number of transactions of this kind outside of the United States, the injunction does not have a substantial influence on the Odito business that the firm operates. An overwhelming majority of people are of the opinion that the most recent ruling is a victory for both the firm and the community of cryptocurrency users. The recent breakdown in the cryptocurrency market, on the other hand, took out the hopeful feeling, and the price of XRP plunged below $0.50. This was a significant event. The price of XRP has come back up by $0.25 since then, despite the fact that investors continue to have an optimistic perspective on the cryptocurrency. Noteworthy is the fact that the most recent market bounce has the ability to set off the most expected surge, which was not witnessed after Ripple Labs' victory. This is something that should be taken into consideration. The expectation that the XRP, ETH, and the RS stablecoin will be released, Ripple Labs made the announcement that they had other plans for the ALS stablecoin immediately after the decision was made. Kirai Luzi, the stablecoin that the cryptocurrency payments company has been developing, has started testing on the XRP ledger and Ethereum, according to a request from Ripple. As a result of the court's decision to offer clarity, the cryptocurrency community is feeling an incredible amount of optimism around the debut of the XRPTF. The chief executive officer of the company, Brad Garlinghouse, claimed that the creation of an XRP index by CME and CF benchmarks has increased the chances of an exchange-traded fund for XRP. As a result of these developments, it is projected that the price of XRP will have a strong upward momentum. Despite the fact that Wall Street giants such as BlackRock have rejected any plans to develop an exchange-traded fund for XRP at this time, businesses have started showing interest in embracing the cryptocurrency. It has been acknowledged by Wells Fargo that XRP has the potential to be utilized for the settlement of debts incurred from credit cards, as well as financing loans. A designated contract market known as Binomial Exchange has officially informed the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, also known as TIFT, of its intentions to introduce futures contracts employing SOAR of the XR pricing form sequence of the Golden Cross. This information was provided by Binomial Exchange. This morning, the XRP chart displayed a bullish chart pattern known as the Golden Cross. This pattern had been generated on the chart. A short-term moving average, a long-term moving average, and are all involved in the construction of this pattern, which is the consequence of a crossover that takes place between them. The fact that the 50 MA has crossed over the 200-mile within the daily time frame is evidence that a golden cross has been created. This is confirmation of the development of the Golden Cross. As a direct result of this, the value of the cryptocurrency known as XRP has climbed by 7% over the course of the last 24 hours. Therefore, when taking into consideration the formation of the Golden Cross pattern, traders are extremely positive on the market. In the market for derivatives, a Golden Cross made of XRP is being purchased through the market. There is also a substantial amount of demand for XRP in the futures market, which is now being observed. According to the Derivative Exchange, which claims that open interest in XRP US linear options has dramatically increased, options traders are placing bets on a target that might reach as high as $1. One of the targets that they are betting on is potentially reaching $1. At the same time that this is taking place, the total open interest in XRP futures is once again breaking through the $1 billion mark. On exchanges has climbed by more than a lead throughout the course of the aforementioned 24 hours. XRP is concerned about open interest over the course of the previous day. The price of XRP has climbed by more than 7%, and it is currently trading at roughly 60 cents. In the previous 24 hours, the lowest price has been 57 cents, while the highest price for the same time period is 614 cents. Furthermore, over the course of the past 24 hours, there has been a 63% increase in the volume of trading, which is a sign that traders are becoming more interested in the market. Moreover, a prognosis of the price of XRP indicates that it will increase to $1 in the near future. The article titled Top Reasons Why XR Price May See a Rally Soon was initially published on the website CoiningOp, which was the first website to do so. A recent settlement that Ripple achieved with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has the potential to be a game changer for XRP. This settlement could potentially pave the way for an exchange-traded fund that invests in XRP. As of right now, the blockchain firm has reached an agreement with the CEC, which will significantly as a result of years of legal fights that have been fought between the two parties. This arrangement brings the total amount of revenue from over $2 billion down to $125 million. As the entire world observes, questions are being raised about the potential repercussions for the price of XRP, the prospect of an exchange-traded fund, and other things that are related to this. You can learn more by continuing to read. In addition to the expansion of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, Ripple was successful in its legal battle. As a result of the exchange of funds between Bitcoin and Ethereum earlier this year, FT were given the green light. The year 2024 saw an increase in the value of the cryptocurrency market. Because of this momentum, the market has been experiencing a more widespread rebound, which has encouraged investors to become increasingly confident about the next cryptocurrency to follow suit. This confidence has led to the market enjoying a more widespread rebound. Since the legal battle has been settled, Ripple may now shift their focus to gaining entry to the exchange-traded fund ETF market, following in the footsteps of other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. A number of market observers are of the opinion that an exchange-traded fund that is similar to STAFE could be on the horizon. This is especially true in light of the recent legal clarification that XRP is not considered to be a security. Nate Gerasi, an analyst for exchange-traded funds, underlined that regulated futures contracts are required for any alternative cryptocurrency before UTF discussions can move ahead. This demand is necessary before UTF discussions can move forward. It has been stated by the crypto expert who goes by the name Makatak6Spray that the introduction of exchange-traded funds ETFs for XRP into the derivatives market, which is projected to be worth, has the potential to significantly improve the position and acceptance of XRP by the middle of 2024 to 2025. The cost-benefit that comes with having excessive transparency and regulatory procedures. XRP has achieved a level of regulatory certainty that is unattainable for the vast majority of other cryptocurrencies as a result of its settlement with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). It is really necessary to have this clarity in order to attract investors who are cautious. People may have been reluctant in the past due to ongoing legal issues they may have had. Dr. Profit, an expert on cryptocurrencies, brought this matter to light by suggesting that XRP is currently in a strong position to become an exchange-traded fund. This issue was brought to light by Dr. Profit. The possibility of being even one step ahead of Solana, which is another powerful competitor in the market also. There are still challenges to take into consideration. Despite the fact that it seems like an exchange-traded fund ETF that invests in XRP has a promising future ahead of it, there may be some uncertainty as a result of suggestions that an appeal to the SEC might be being considered. In spite of this, it appears that the settlement can be regarded for the time being in order to bring the matter to a conclusion that is definitive. XRP has the potential to become the next major cryptocurrency to be issued as an exchange-traded fund, now that the litigation has been concluded. Ripple is free to concentrate on capitalizing on this regulatory success, which might result in XRP becoming the next major cryptocurrency to be released. At the same day that the whole cryptocurrency market enjoyed a rise of one rye, reaching a market capitalization of $2 trillion, XRP experienced a slight growth of 37.8 cents, hitting a price of 5,665 cents. The price of XRP has decreased from $6,434 due to investor concerns on the potential of an appeal being filed by the SEC in the Ripple case.